Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel TT's Footprints. Today we learn how to make burnt ginger rice recipe. This recipe is a very quick and easy fried rice recipe. If you're new to my channel and this is your first visit, hello and welcome. I do post such easy and interesting recipes every week. Do support by subscribing to my channel if you find my videos helpful. This recipe requires a lot of ginger, and if you are okay with the taste of ginger, then this recipe is for you. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil, preferably in a wok or a large pan, and add the ginger slices and fry till they are nice and golden brown. Now add in this spring onion bites. Saute for a minute and add in the cooked rice.
Searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with your eyes so bright.
Mix well and add in salt and pepper to taste.
Take you there, like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever.
Now add in the red, green and yellow bell peppers which have been cut into cubes. Combine everything very well and finally garnish with spring onion cream. This rice is totally dry as we have not used any sauces and mainly flavored only with ginger. You can keep some fried ginger aside for garnishing on the top. Serve this with stir-fried vegetables in white sauce, either spread out on a plate or on top of the rice. Enjoy this quick and easy burnt ginger rice recipe with your favorite stir-fried vegetables. If you enjoy watching my videos and find them helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for my new updates. Also, don't forget to share them with your family and friends. Thank you for watching and meet you soon in my next one.
It look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there?